Today's problem: given an array with ones, twos and zeros in unsorted manner, sort the array. That is, zeros should come first, followed by ones and twos. Okay, so example, if we have 2 1 0 2 1 0, okay, the resultant array should be 0 0 1 1 2 2, right? Now you might ask, what's the big deal? I'll just take the array and sort it, right? So if we actually check, the quickest possible sorting would sort it in order of n log n, right? The challenge is, can you make it better? Can you sort it in, say, order of n? So that's the challenge. Okay, to solve this, the basic idea would be to scan the array, and if you encounter a 0, push it to the left, and if you encounter a 2, push it to the right, and you don't have to worry about ones as they automatically align in the center. Like if you look at the resultant array, you would know actually all the zeros are in the left, all the twos are in the right, and ones automatically stay in the center. So that's the logic here. Now how do we do this? So in order to solve this, we could take the array, right, and we could have 3 pointers, one say left pointer and another is a right pointer, and we can have a current pointer which keeps scanning the array. Okay, so the idea is we'll keep checking what is pointed by the current. If it is a 0, we push it to the left. If it is a 2, we'll push it to the right, and if it's 1, we don't care, right? That's the logic. So we have 3 conditions here, alright. The first condition is, if A of current, right, A of current is 0, push to the left. That means push to the left in the sense just swap it with what is there in the left. Okay, swap left and current, right? And if A of C is 2, then push to the right. So you can say swap current with right. That is, if I get a 2, I'll swap it with the right. That's what I want, right? I just want to move all the 2's to the right? And if I get if A of C is a 1, right, don't worry, just move current pointer, right? See, if you get a 1, just keep get on to the next element, don't worry about that one. Okay, that's the logic here. So we'll try to be using this pseudocode, we'll try to solve the problem here itself, and then we'll jump onto the code. Okay, let's say now I have the current pointer here, right? Okay, what is there in the current pointer? That is 2. Once I get 2, I need to swap it with the right? So what is there in the right? It's 0. Okay, let me get the 0 here, send the 2 to the right. Once 2 comes to the right, that means it's already in sorted order, it's already towards the right of the array, so there is no point in keeping this pointer here. What we'll do is we'll just decrement it, that is, we'll move it here. Okay, we'll remove this. Okay, next, what do we have in current? We have 0. Once we get a 0, what should we do? We should move to the left. Okay, it's already in the left, so we don't have to do anything. And since the left is already sorted, we sort of move the left pointer to the next element. Okay, and we'll remove the left from here. And also, since we already processed this element, we'll move the current as well. Okay, now what do we have in current? We have 1, right? So what should we do if we get 1? We don't have to worry, just move the current pointer. Okay, I'll just move the current pointer. Okay, once we get a 0, we should push it to the left, that is swap left with current. Current is 0, left is 1, so I'll swap it 0 and this is 1, right? And then what we do, since the left is already sorted, we move the left pointer to here. I will remove the left pointer there, and since we already processed this element, we move the current. Okay, now we got 2. Now what do we do with 2? When you get a 2, we push to the right, right? Swap right with that. So right was 1 and this is 2, right? So we'll just swap these two, 1 and 2. Okay, now since right is already sorted, so we sort of decrement the right pointer. We try to get it here, but actually if you see, we are actually, the current and right has met here, so we already know that anything to the right of R is already sorted. There's no point in proceeding further, right? There's no point in scanning to this array. So the condition here would be when right and current meets right, we sort of exit the loop. We are done with it. Okay, that's the logic here. As you can see, we have 0 0 1 1 2 2. Okay, this we solved with a pseudocode. Now let's go with the Python code. Okay, I will say def sort numbers of, say, I get an array, right? So I need to initialize left is equal to 0, right is length of array minus 1, and since it's 0 indexed, and current equal to 0, right? Probably I'll use the Python way of initializing. I'll say left comma right comma current equal to 0 comma len of a minus 1 comma 0. So I don't need this 3 lines of code. Okay, right? Now we put that while loop, right? So, okay, yeah, so this while we said C and R should not meet, right? So that means C is less than R, right? So I will just while current is less than right. First case, if A of current equal to 0, right? We swap A of current and A of left. In Python we can swap variables like A comma B equal to B comma A using this shortcut, right? So we'll follow the same thing. So we'll say A of current equal to A of left. No, A of current comma A of left equal to A of left comma A of current, right? Yeah, we don't need this. Yeah, and once we have processed the left, we need to increment. So because left is already sorted, left plus equal to 1, and also already we have processed that element, so we move the current also, current plus equal to 1, right? And okay, else if A of current is a